I now have the singular honor and privilege to declare the National Results Operations Center open for business for the 2024 national and provincial elections.
Ikhomishana ezimele engamele ukhetho iIEC yethembise ukusingatha lolu khetho ngobuqotho.
In this work, we know that integrity is a currency. We are committed to serving our nation with integrity of heart and skillful hands.
Bangaphezu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-70 abantu abaqashelwe ukubala amavoti.
70,000 officials have been appointed as counting officers to ensure that there's quality in the counting process and the result slips are completed without error.
Isikhulu esiphezulu se-IEC sithi kuqopheke umlando ngolesihlanu olwedlule ngesikhathi abantu baseNingizimu Afrika abahlala kwamanye amazwe bevota.
Although we have no definitive account of voter turnout at this point, preliminary indications are that we have significantly surpassed previous performance.
Bangu 1.6 million abantu okulindeleke ukuthi bavote ngokukhethekile ezinsukwini ezimbili ngaphambi kosuku lokhetho. Kulabo bantu kukhona nabaphila nokukhubazeka.